This is math using the SLM. So this is a bit late because I was trying to record it without failing the software that I am using. So this is my third time. Okay, for quarter 3, week 2. So isurat ang pangaran bago kita magpuon. So the title is Visualizes, Represents, Divides a whole into halves and fourths, and identifies one half and one fourth of a whole object. So this is first part of our topic about fraction. Okay, adalan ta si Jose asin Maria may sarong bilog na bibingka. Kung bangaon ninday ni anong partean makukuha ni Jose asin Maria. So this is the first question. Another question, kung maliban ki Jose asin Maria, yaon pasinta Nancy asin Pedro, anong partean makukuha ninda Jose, Maria, Nancy asin Pedro. So how about if there will be 4 who is going to share the bibingka? So what part will they get? Okay, let's now have the discussion. Task 1, ano ang 1/2 as in 1/4 kan? 1 whole. So si Jose as in Maria may sarong bilog na bibingka. Kung bangaon ninday ni, anong partean makukuha ni Jose as in Maria? So we're going to have there is 1 whole of bibingka, and then two children will be sharing this 1 whole. So they will get equal parts. So what should be done is the bibingka is divided into 2 equally, kaya nasa gitna ang line. So now we have 2 parts. Okay, ang sarong bilog tigbanga sa duwa, ano na po sa tigkabanga? If each one will get 1 part of that 1 whole bibingka, so kaya sa sarong bibingka or 1 whole of that, o sa sarong bilog or 1 whole naging 2 parte or 2 parts. So ano po sa sarong parte? So each one will get 1/2. So ito 1 whole hinati sa dalawa, and this 1/2, and then another one is 1/2. So kung maliban ka Jose asin Maria, yaon pasindan Nancy asin Pedro. Anong partean makukuha ninda Jose, Maria, Nancy asin Pedro? What if there will be 4 who are going to share that 1 whole bibingka? So of course there will be 4 parts kasi each one will have his share. So there are now 4 parts. So still hinati sa gitna so that they will get equal part. So walang makakakuha ng maliit, wala namang makakakuha ng malaking part. So ang sarong bilog tig-apat. So 1 whole into 4 parts. Ano na po sa sarong tig-apat? So what do you call each part of that? So kaya sa sarong bilog 1 whole naging 4 na parte. Ano po sa sarong parte? 1/4. Okay, so we mentioned here 1/2 and then 1/4. Okay, so how do we write 1/2 first? So 1/2 is written as with O and E, and then an hyphen lang, tapos half, the word half. So this is 1/2. And then 1/4, so still we spell it 1 and then the word fourth. So this is 1/4. Okay, how are they written in symbol? So if you remember, the way we write number in symbol is like this. So malalaki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang sa kaya mong isulat na number. Okay, how about in fraction? How should it be written? Okay, kung itong mga numbers na to, the way we mentioned the numbers, this is, ganyan din ang size. But in fraction, it should be smaller. So this is 1/2 bar and then 2. So dapat mas maliit ang numbers. 1/4 naman, 1 bar and then 4. Okay, so it means ang 1/2 and then 1/4, ano lang siya, parte lang ng 1. So that's why we call it as 1 whole. So ibig sabihin 1 pa lang siya. Hindi pa siya pwedeng maging 2, hindi pa siya maging 3 kasi kulang pa siya. Okay, so this is how we write uh, in words ng 1/2 and 1/4, and then this is how we write 1/2 and 1/4 in symbol. Okay, but before we move on to Gibuhon mo 1, I'd like to show you something about how one whole should be divided in order to get equal parts or portions. So what we talked about, yung 1/2 and 1/4 are some just two of the fractions or fractional parts that we can make use. Okay, so take note. So when we say fraction, so it's just a part of a whole. So hindi pa siya 1. It cannot be considered as 1 yung 1/2 and then 1/4. Kumbaga kulang pa to make it to 1. Let's have these 4 figures, so which has equal portions. So we have here different one whole, so round shape. So let's identify which one shows equal portions. Okay, let's have the first one. Ito. So ito, these are into two parts but are they of equal portions? Pantay ba? So when we say equal portions, no, you can't see anything that is smaller or you cannot identify which one is bigger kasi pantay na pantay siya. So for this instance, it's not of equal portions kasi one is smaller. Next, let's have another. Ito naman, a circle which has a line at the middle crossing it. So if you notice, parang siyang mirror. So the one part above is the same with how it looks yung naman nasa baba. So both of them, if you take a look, so parang itsura. So this one is of equal portions. Next one, this is into 4 parts. So nakikita nyo, equal ba? Equal portions? No, because if you see these two sides, masyado siyang maliit, unlike with this two, which is bigger. So this is not of equal portions. So that is what fraction is all about. So equal portions. Next, ito naman, this is into 4 parts. Is it equally divided? Yes. So this one, ito, isang part na to, halos magkakapareho. So, or we can say, the same. So the same sizes. So therefore, this is of equal portions. So there are ways on how we can achieve those na fraction which will show equal portions. Okay, so we have here 3 different shapes. So I'll make use of a shape. So each one is considered one whole. So how about we divide something round? So first we locate the middle part. So itong middle part, and then that is where nilagyan ko ng mark because that is where we're going to draw the line across it. So anything that any line that will cross that dot, it means it will guide us to give or to achieve some equal portion. So if I'm going to draw a line, slipping line, which will cross yung sa dot na yan. Sorry, medyo malan. Ulitin ko lang. Okay, so this is almost tama, straight line. So this one shows of equal portion. So 1/2 and then 1/2. How about if we come up with something now for equal parts naman? So what we do is draw a standing line, a vertical line, still crossing the dot. So yan. So this is now into 4 equal parts. So from 1/2, 1/2, we can have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So that is how we can divide one whole, which is something round, kagaya ng pizza, bread, o kaya gaya ng bibingka, okay, or pancake. Okay, next one, for something na triangular in shape, what we do is locate the base of the triangle. So this is the base, etong linyang sa baba. So etong sa slipping line, so this is considered the base. And then this one is the peak. yung pinakamatulis. It's just like a mountain. Okay, what we do from the base, let's imagine this is a line. So let's locate the middle part of the line and then let's mark it with, yan. So it means if you're going to connect yung peak down to the base, middle of the base, so let's try. I hope hindi siya, I hope pantay. Okay. Medyo paiga lang. Okay, ulitin ko lang. Okay. So, each part is 1/2. So, yan. So, how about if we're going to have 4 equal parts? So, what we do, from that 1/2, hatiin pa natin, and then let's connect it from the peak down to the line. So, medyo hindi pumapantay. But this is almost equal portions. Okay, I need to erase it. Ito lang may sobra. Okay, so this one shows una 1/2, now we have 1/4. Okay, next let's have something na rectangular, or you can also do it in a square. Okay, so let's just make use of what we did with the triangle. So let's locate the middle part, and then let's locate the middle part from yung sa taas. Then let's connect it by drawing a standing line. Oh, sorry, hindi pantay. Okay, still let's locate the middle part and then let's draw a line at the middle. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so this is 1/2, 1/4. 1/2. Okay, for 1/4, kasi from 1/2 we can have 1/4. Okay, let's locate first the middle of each 1/2, and then let's connect it with a standing line, and then another standing line. So we now have 4 equal parts. Okay, so that is how we can achieve fraction, or showing equal parts. Kasi a fraction, it's all about dividing whole or even sets equally. So, walang maliit or walang mas malaking part. So, that is what we are talking, or that's, okay, that is what we can, how we can show fraction, especially 1/2 and then 1/4. Okay, let's continue with the activities found in your module. So, let's begin with what's on page 4. Yan. So, the first part is about 1/2. So, gibuhon mo 1 halves, color 1/2 of each shape. So, this part, so they are now equally divided. So, lahat yan showing 2 parts. But all you have to do is color 1/2. So, choose any shade of crayon. And then next one, right check in the box if 1/2 the figure is shaded, and an X if less than 1/2 is shaded. So we are going to look for those that are equally divided. So this figure show 2 parts, but which one is equally divided? So it means alin dyan ang tamang 1/2. So put a check. But if doesn't show equal parts or proper na 1/2, so put an X. And then this one, color 1/2 each of each figure. So, and dito, so all of this has 2 parts, so just color 1/2 of it. So that's what you have to do for page 4. Pause this part to finish everything found on page 4. Next one, if you're done, let's now move on to gibuhon 2. Okay, gibuhon 2 quarters. So, pag sinabing quarters, apat or 1/4. Okay, color 1/4 of each shape. So, these are now into 4 parts. All you have to do is take 1/4 of it. So, you have to show it by coloring 1/4 of it. Okay, and then next, write a check in the box if 1/4 of the figure is shaded, and X if less than 1/4. So again, we are after those that are equally divided and one part is shaded or 1/4 is taken. So, alin dyan ang tamang 1/4? So, put a check. But if it's not, then put an X. And then, color 1/4 of each figures. Meron na dyan. Ito, chocolate bar, pizza, ano to, apple, and then roll. So, alin dyan ang 1/4? Just choose any part as long as it is 1/4. And for gibohon 3, by the way, finish this part first before you proceed with page 6. For gibohon 3, laganin check kung tama, as in X kung salaan pinapahiling. Number 1 question, arin ang tamang 1/2. So, we are after the proper or the equal showing equal parts. So we are, which one shows 1/2? So kung alin dyan, put a check, but if not, an X. Yes. Next, number 2 naman, we are after 1/2 but for rounds. Alin dyan ang tamang 1/2? Then put a check. Alin ang maling 1/2? X. Also for number 3, we are after the 1/4. Alin ang tamang 1/4? Then put a check, but if not, an X. Number 4 naman, I hope you remember how I mentioned about dividing a triangle properly to show 1/4 or even 1/2. Okay, arin ang tamang 1/4. So, put a check kung tama, and then X if not. And on the last part, mag-drawing nin parehaba. So, draw a rectangle first and then koloran ang 1/4. Ibig sabihin, a rectangle with 4 equal parts and then 1/4 is colored. Okay, so that's it for math. Goodbye.